Alright, so this is Blue. He gets his name from his color. Got the controller on this thing. Try to make the wiring look a little prettier. That's a 350 watt controller. That's the battery from the Nacto fashion. So I'd broken the prongs off of the other Nacto. And so I had to figure out how to fix it. I just put some wire tape around, and then I had to extend the wires so that I could actually bring it up to the top of the bike. So I extended the wires, right, as you can see here and here. So it has to go around the seat so it doesn't interfere with the prongs. It works. Went up the Randall's Island Bridge, so this leads to Randall's Island. It felt adequate, something I could do on a daily basis, so I like it. This wheel is supposed to be 750 watt. I had another controller that supposedly did the same thing, but I didn't really notice a difference with this controller. And then the cool thing is I can still upgrade the speed on this controller as per another YouTuber, Vua Echo, if I'm saying his name right. There's the high speed, low speed, mid speed wire. I would have to just change up or attach two of those wires together to make this faster. That might be in the coming future. Right now I just want to make this look pretty. With the bungee cord it doesn't look too pretty, but it is functional. And that's Blue for you and me. Till next time.